Welcome. I'm so glad you are here. My name is Darius, and I will be praying with you today.
For you, who want to learn a powerful prayer to attract money in a minute, this is your video. Focus right now with all your faith in obtaining your desire, and we will instantly start this powerful prayer. Let's begin. 1 minute money prayer. Dear Guardian Angel, thank you for the abundance already provided and for the previous miracles I have already received. Thank you for all that I have received in both monetary and non-monetary terms. Thank you for all the prosperity blessings and helpers you have guided me to on my path. Thank you, my Guardian Angel, for helping me to be open to receive prosperity in expected and unexpected ways. Thank you for helping me to see opportunities as they appear to me and for others around me to see opportunities and share them with me. Thank you for identifying the blocks that I have to receive abundance and helping me to remove them. Thank you for guiding me towards areas and people who have the resources I can benefit from and contribute to in an equally prosperous and abundant way. Thank you for the intuition to show me the way to greater prosperity and for guiding me away from where it is not. Thank you for the bank boost that is needed and for showing me the steps I can take in the physical to create a smoother flow of financial freedom and prosperity for all that I love. Thank you for the blessings you have sent me so far in life that have allowed me to make it to this point. Thank you for your continued guidance that has helped me remain flexible, open and willing to change whenever change has been needed and necessary. I ask now that you send me a financial blessing that I would not normally receive. I am open to this blessing coming in the form of direct money, as well as in the means, such as books, ideas, tools, or other forms, that may create money in the near future. My goal for this money involves providing support for myself, my family, and the betterment of my life purpose that you help to guide, and I allow. Please send me a sign of this blessing within the next 7 days, in the form of any messenger you deem fit for me now. I will be on the lookout for this blessing as a sign, and count every penny that comes my way in terms of gains made in savings, work, investment, or otherwise outside of the box means, as I await the answer to this prayer. I remain open to surprises and unexpected ways that your answer to this prayer may arrive. I offer this prayer for miracle money with the intent to use any money received in the highest good and in alignment with the highest good of all I'll provide for. And so it is. Amen. Type Amen if you feel abundant. Remember to like this video, and give thanks. Watch this important message right now.